and apply it to a speech that centers around a central message. So we should hear a message maybe, but if we don't, that's not the problem because it's a contest speech. And moving it to the introduction, which is me also. As a contest speech with a contest introduction. The speech is.
It's name,
Sure.
speech title,
Sure. Okay.
speech title, name.
I've
And
tried to memorize that. Okay. So
are you ready with the recording, Mr. Timer?
you want to start it over?
Yeah, I started recording and I apologize if you didn't see that on your screen.
I didn't see it either. I guess once we say okay, you can come in and out with it, maybe. Okay. So it's recording?
Yes, it is.
Yes, I see that.
Okay. So today's speech is Sharon Kinty, new math. New math, Sharon Kinty.
I was never any good at math, but when I was, 2 + 2 = 4. When numbers were numbers and they meant what they meant. But now I'm not so sure. When I go to Target, I can't figure out how $5 + $2 + $3 + $1 + $9 = $187.94. There are 3 kinds of math. There's the real math, there's Common Core math, and then there's fake math. When I learned numbers in school, I learned how to carry, to borrow, subtract, and divide all on my fingers. I learned how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. You take the Fahrenheit temperature times 2 and add 30 and get the temperature approximately. Well, ain't nobody got time for that. I only know that hot is hot and cold is cold. I learned how to convert yards to meters. A yard times 3.1416 equals a gallon. Now I just use a banana for scale. When I learned numbers, it was called arithmetic. What a dynamic word, a fun word to say and fun to spell, arithmetic. A rat in Tom's house might eat Tom's ice cream. Remember that? Now they call it math. Common Core math. Take Common Core math, addition and subtraction. Yes, take it, please take it away, far away. But listen how they teach this. It's so simple. It's so simple that only a child can do it. You can't take 3 from 2. 2 is less than 3. So if you look at the 4 in the tens place, now that's really 4 tens. So you make it 3 tens. Regroup and you change a 10 to 10 ones and you add them to the 2 and get 12 and take away 3. That's 9. Is that clear? Now, instead of the 4 in the tens place, you've got 3 because you added 1. That is to say 10 to the 2. But you can't take 7 from 3. So you look at the hundreds place. And from the 3, you use 1 to make 10 ones. And now you know that 4 plus minus 1 plus 10 is 14 minus 1. Because addition is commutative, right? And so you've got 13 tens and you take away 7 and that leaves 5. Well, 6 actually, but the idea is the important thing. Don't worry, there won't be a quiz about this later. These mental gymnastics wear me out. Let's talk about word problems, those random facts. A train leaves station A on a Monday at 5 kilometers per hour. And train B leaves the station in the rain. If Bob has 6 potatoes and Marcy has 15 candy bars, how many rats are in Tom's house? What kind of real life shenanigans is this? Am I ever going to use that figuring? Maybe when I have 2 locomotives and a rat that eats ice cream? And now we get to the third half of this ridiculous story, fake math. Everything I thought I knew about numbers, I'm not so sure anymore. They're not what they seem to be. I'm talking about bath tissue math. Now this, folks, is the weirdest. I am totally befuddled by this new bath tissue math. I walk into the store and I'm confronted with the aisle of lies. 4 giant rolls equal 8. 6 mega rolls equals 16. 8 gargantuan equals 36. And the 12-pack magically becomes 280. It's like the loaves and the fishes. Wow, amazing. I can't even. Maybe they should sell it by the kilo instead. Even ages aren't what they are. Women of a certain age jokingly claim that they are 29, no matter how many birthdays are under their belt. She never gets older? Perpetually 29? How does that work? Someone said the other day that 50 is the new 20. Well, if that's the case, then 73 is the new 29 and a half. I'm aging just thinking about that. And don't get me started on dress sizes. What about the baker's dozen? If you're confused by all of this numerical gerrymandering, take heart. You're in good company. You're not alone. 4 out of 3 people struggle with math. Give me the good old math, when numbers were numbers and they meant what they meant. That's something I can count on. Madam Toastmaster.
Thank you. Can we have a minute on the clock to write our little love notes in the chat? It's such a short list to choose.
Time's up. Pencils down.
Thank you, Simon. Okay. We can skip the next one. Somebody might be ready to give a speech next week.
Yes,
Would be better.
I did text to you or email to you that I can do my second speech this morning, the other contest speech.
Are you totally ready?
I'm totally ready.
Okay, except I don't know the name of the speech.
This one's called Smile.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm going to stop the recording and start the recording again. So you'll get.
Yes, thank you.
So let me stop this. Did it stop?